Welcome everyone to my channel. Today, we will be discussing an artificial intelligence-based cryptocurrency that has the potential to rise 1000x in value. Let's get started. Today, I wanted to talk about Fetch.ai, a blockchain-based artificial intelligence platform that is making quite a stir in the cryptocurrency world. Its technology is extremely advanced and could potentially revolutionize the way we interact with machines and digital services. But what's really got people talking is the potential of the Fetch.ai coin. Many cryptocurrency analysts and traders have been predicting that Fetch.ai will go up 1000x in value, which is an incredible return on investment. So, why is Fetch.ai so promising? Well, its technology combines machine learning and distributed ledger technology to create a digital ecosystem that can facilitate decentralized transactions and interactions between machines. This means that Fetch.ai can provide its users with a secure, efficient, and cost-effective way to interact with digital services such as data sharing, trading, and more. Moreover, Fetch.ai is backed by some of the biggest names in the cryptocurrency world, including Binance and Huobi, which speaks to the level of trust that investors have in this project. So, there you have it. Fetch.ai could be the breakthrough technology that takes the cryptocurrency world by storm, and its coin could be the next big thing. Will it go 1000x? Only time will tell. What is Fetch.ai, FET? Founded in 2017 and launched via IEO on Binance in March 2019, Fetch.ai is an artificial intelligence (AI) lab building an open, permissionless, decentralized machine learning network with a crypto economy. Fetch.ai democratizes access to AI technology with a permissionless network upon which anyone can connect and access secure datasets by using autonomous AI to execute tasks that leverage its global network of data. The Fetch.ai model is rooted in use cases like optimizing DeFi trading services, transportation networks, parking, micromobility, smart energy grids, travel, essentially any complex digital system that relies on large-scale datasets. Fetch.ai is a decentralized, open-source artificial intelligence platform built on blockchain technology. The platform is designed to enable agents to autonomously complete tasks, make decisions, and trade on behalf of their owners. We'll take a look at the top 10 most important points in the white paper, as well as how it can benefit beginners. So, let's get started. 1. Autonomous agents. Agents are autonomous, self-learning entities that act on behalf of their owners. They are able to make decisions, complete tasks, and trade on behalf of their owners. 2. Open source. Fetch.ai is built on an open source platform, allowing developers to easily access the code and build upon it. 3. Secure. The platform is designed to be secure and private, allowing users to securely store and share data. 4. Decentralized. The platform is distributed across multiple nodes, allowing it to be more resilient and secure. 5. Scalable. The platform is designed to be highly scalable, allowing it to meet the needs of the growing user base. 6. Machine learning. Fetch.ai utilizes machine learning algorithms to enable agents to learn and improve over time. 7. Data marketplaces. Agents are able to trade data in secure and private data marketplaces. 8. Smart contracts. Agents are able to negotiate and execute smart contracts with other agents. 9. Oracles. Agents are able to access external data sources via oracles. 10. Rewards. Agents are rewarded for their work and contributions to the network. With these top 10 most important points in the Fetch.ai white paper, it's easy to see how this platform can revolutionize the future of artificial intelligence. Fetch Network. The Fetch.ai network is powered by a new cryptocurrency called the FET token. The FET token is the lifeblood of the system and is used to reward agents for completing tasks, to purchase services and products, and to pay for transaction fees. Agents are the heart of the Fetch.ai network and are responsible for helping all of the different entities interact with one another. Agents are the bridge between the digital and physical worlds, allowing them to interact with each other. Agents are autonomous, self-learning entities that are built using AI and machine learning technology. They are designed to be able to interact with their environment and learn from their experiences. Agents are able to complete tasks quickly and efficiently, such as finding the best price for a product or service, and can even negotiate with other agents on behalf of their owners. Agents are built to be highly secure and can communicate with other agents in the network without compromising the security of their owners. Agents are also able to make decisions independently, allowing them to complete tasks quickly and accurately. Benefits: the Fetch.ai system has several advantages over other blockchains. One of these is its ability to quickly and securely settle transactions. This is accomplished through the use of smart contracts, which are pieces of code that enable two parties to securely exchange information without the need for a third-party intermediary. The main benefits of Fetch.ai are: 1. Increased efficiency. Fetch.ai is designed to increase the efficiency of transactions, enabling faster and more secure payments. 2. Reduced costs. By using Fetch.ai, companies can reduce transaction costs, as transactions are processed automatically and without intermediaries. 3. Greater security. Fetch.ai is built on a secure and trustless blockchain platform, meaning transactions are more secure and private. 4. Increased transparency. As all transactions are recorded on the blockchain, companies can easily monitor the progress of their transactions. 5. Flexibility. Fetch.ai is highly customizable and can be used for a variety of applications. These are just some of the benefits of Fetch.ai, so if you're looking to increase efficiency, reduce costs, and increase security, Fetch.ai could be the perfect solution for you. Future: the future of Fetch.ai looks bright. With its powerful artificial intelligence platform and decentralized network, Fetch.ai is well positioned to become a leader in the blockchain space. The team behind Fetch.ai is continually working to improve the system and develop new features and applications. In the future, we can expect to see Fetch.ai being used in a variety of applications, such as decentralized exchanges, autonomous vehicles, and decentralized applications. In the future, Fetch.ai's technology could revolutionize everything from transportation to healthcare, finance, energy, and more. For example, transportation networks could use agents to negotiate the most efficient routes for delivery, and supply chains could become far more efficient and secure. Additionally, intelligent agents could be used to facilitate more seamless and secure financial transactions by helping to manage risk, reduce costs, and provide real-time analytics. Fetch.ai is changing the way we interact with the world around us and is creating a digital economy that will revolutionize the way we do business. Conclusion: in conclusion, Fetch.ai is an exciting new cryptocurrency with a lot of potential. With its powerful artificial intelligence platform, decentralized network, and low transaction fees, Fetch.ai is well positioned to become a leader in the blockchain space. If you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrency, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. With the right knowledge, you can make informed decisions about investing in the cryptocurrency market. Thanks for watching.